All right. Everybody bring it in. Now let me tell you something. All right. You all know that I'm big on metaphors, right? Metaphors are something that are very important to me. And I was thinking about it. I like to go into the zoo sometimes before these games start. It really got me thinking. I was like, I was looking at the lions, and then I was looking at the flamingos. The flamingos are really dirty birds, aren't they? Wouldn't you say they're dirty birds?
Yeah.
I think we're the lions, and they're the flamingos. You know what? I think we can keep that analogy going. I think we're the badgers and they're the gophers. I think we're Barack Obama and they're John McCain. I think we're Abraham Lincoln and they're Andrew Johnson. It's a little more esoteric. I think we're the Badger Herald and they're the Daily Cardinal, right? My day.
But I feel like deep down, like I know everybody, I guess. I don't know. Reggie, help. I don't know what to do.
I'm not trying to start rumors, but I heard that everyone from the Daily Cardinal pees their pants and kicks puppies. Tell your friends. Tell your friends.
Yeah, I heard that too.
Cracking! More like lacking! Oh no, that's on camera.
I just hope we fucking win, you know? We have a legacy to uphold.